Welcome to Arogya PhysioTips. I am Anamika Lingdor, a physiotherapist, and in today's video, I will be showing exercises related to neck pain caused by long usage of mobile phones. So, the growing use of mobile phone comes with a lot of pain points, with neck pain becoming one of them. Stiffness and headache are now becoming more common among people of all ages. Hence, adoption of a smarter tech habit is important, and that can be achieved by performing basic exercises regularly. The symptoms which you should look for are: the first one is soreness or difficulty in moving the neck. Next is dull, aching, or sharp pain at the base of the neck or the lower neck. Then next is radiating irritation towards the neck and shoulder. Next is difficulty in sleeping due to neck pain or shoulder pain. And the last one is worsening of posture. So let us have a look what are the exercises which you can do if your neck pain is due to the long hours of usage of mobile phone. So before you start with the exercise, you should do a warm up, which is good and which will improve your blood circulation. So the first one is neck rotation, which you can turn towards the left, towards the right, slowly and gently, up and down. This will be your first warm up. And the next one is shoulder rolls. So both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then shoulder shrugs up and down. So these you can do for 30 seconds, and also you can do a massage at the base of the neck, which will provide relaxation for you. So once when you are done with the proper warmed up, you can start with the first exercise, that is known as chin tucks. What you have to do, you can either use 2 fingers or you can directly do it. But if you are doing it for the first time, you can put 2 fingers at the chin and push your neck back. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, perform the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. So you can hold for 5 to 10 seconds depending upon your comfort level, and do it for 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. Now the next exercise is side bend. Again, you have to bend sideways. Hold for 10 seconds. Again, 5 to 10, depend upon your comfort level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to the neutral position and relax, and do it for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, this also 5 to 10 seconds, 10 to 15 times, and 2 to 3 times a day. And the next one is gentle head rotation. You can turn towards your left, towards your right, up and down. Again, this one you can do 10 to 15 times. The next exercise is neck extension. What you have to do here. So slowly look up. You can hold also if you are comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back down to the neutral position. But in case you are not comfortable holding the position, all you can do is just look up slowly and come back down. Again, you can repeat this for 10 to 15 times depending upon your comfort level. And the next one, it's the trapezius stretch, upper trapezius stretch. What you can do, you can bend towards the opposite side. If you are stretching for this side, one hand here. You can even keep this hand backwards and start to push. You will be getting a good stretch around this area. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back to the neutral position. Again, you can perform for the other side as well. One hand back, one hand here, and slightly bend and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, you can hold for 5 to 10 seconds, 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. Now the next exercise is the seated shoulder blade squeeze. You can do it either by sitting like this or in standing also, whichever way you're comfortable. So if you are sitting, sit towards the edge of the chair like this, feet flat, lift your hands up and squeeze both your shoulders and scapula together. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, repeat. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. Now, the next exercise is you need to use a foam roller, a bolster, or a pillow also if it's available. Then this exercise is specifically to correct the posture. So if you have a bolster like this, lie down on it and just lift your hands up and come back down. Again, repeat the same exercise. Lift your hands up and come back down. This one you can do. And another one, you can keep your hands by the side and just slide it sideways and come back down. So when you do this, your chest is getting opened up. In that way, your posture is getting corrected. Again, you can repeat this 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. These are all the exercises you can do if your neck pain is related due to long hours of using phone or laptop. Now, the ergonomics which you have to follow. So, if you are using a phone, so take it up to the eye level so that your neck doesn't bend forward. And the next one which you have to follow is the 20-20-20 rule, which means after every 20 minutes, look at something which is 20 feet away from you for around 20 seconds. So that will reduce strain to your eyes. So please do like, share, subscribe, and comment on our video and channel. Witness your fitness with us.